In this video, we'll explore how buyers can submit questions and how sellers can respond to them on the AuctionWorx site. This feature is an excellent way to address any questions or concerns buyers may have before making a purchase. Let's walk through how it works. As a buyer, when you visit the lot details page, you'll find an option to post a question just below the product description and other details. By clicking on Post a Question, you can submit your query directly to the seller before making your purchase. Once you've submitted your question, it will be posted successfully, and you can track the response. Now let's switch to the seller's perspective. As a seller, you'll receive an email notification whenever a buyer posts a question on one of your lots. After logging in, you can either click the link in the email or navigate to the lot details page to view all the questions submitted by buyers. To respond, simply click the Answer Question button and provide your response. Once the seller responds, the buyer will receive an email notification. Additionally, the buyer can visit the product details page to view the seller's response. All questions and answers are displayed publicly on the lot, making it easier for other users with similar queries to find the information they need. This feature not only improves communication between buyers and sellers, but also ensures a transparent buying process. Now you're ready to start asking and answering questions on AuctionWorx. Thank you for watching.